India's 9-time senior national table tennis champion Achanta Sharath Kamal is an Indian professional table tennis player who was awarded the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award, in 2019. Sharath Kamal began his professional career at the age of 16, and since then he had taken part in state-level competitions. Sharath became the national champion for the first time at the National Table Tennis Championships, and between 2004 and 2019 he had won 8 national titles at the National Table Tennis Championships. Recently, at the Asian Olympic Qualifiers Tournament in Doha, Qatar, in March 2021, Sharath Kamal had secured his Olympic berth at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics in men's singles and mixed doubles events. Sharath Kamal is in Shillong to take part in the ongoing 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship 2022. Speaking to media persons, Sharath Kamal said that his previous tournaments had enabled him to prepare and keep him in good shape to play at the championship that is currently being held in Shillong.
I have been in good shape. I had a very good month of March where I played the semi-finals in an international tournament, WTT contender in Doha, and other 2 tournaments were also fine, one in Singapore and one more in Doha. So I've been in good shape, I've been doing really well, and I hope I can go on to win my 10th title here.
On the performance of the Meghalaya team at the championship, India's top-seeded senior national table tennis champion said that the lack of infrastructure and terrain may have been the reasons why the Meghalaya paddlers have not been able to perform as expected.
For the Meghalayan players and for the other players who are budding and coming up, all I would tell them is, the most important part of, let's say, your career, your training, your progress is the process of practice, training. If you're able to train and give your heart's best, your best ability possible, results will follow, results will come. So of course there are a lot of shortcomings and there are a lot of excuses to be given, but if we put that aside and try to focus on what we can do best. See, that is how I became the best in the country, and from there on, once I became the best in the country, for me to improve on the international level, it was difficult for me staying in India. So I had to go abroad, I had to practice there, I had to train there to get to this level where I am now. And following me, a lot of other players had come in there, and they've been. We've been now as a team collectively we're doing well, so we have a big pool of players. So also to a young Meghalayan player, or anybody who is wanting to grow better, they have to look for a place which has good infrastructure, good practice partners. Of course, you need to move out of your comfort zone. I think given the infrastructure and given the difficult terrain, even for us to play in these conditions on a high altitude, it's very, very difficult because it's not like a normal plane. The air is lighter, so the ball floats, it goes away, so there are not so many rallies. So it's very difficult to build up momentum in this kind of atmosphere. So I can clearly understand the kind of difficulties the local players will be going on when they are practicing here.